Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am back with a double unboxing. This unboxing is special to me because this is my first, I call it Shanae Day. If you guys have watched my channel, then you guys know I do unboxings of authentic and also bags from Save Bullet, which is a high quality one-to-one replica site. So I am here today to show you two items from their site. And like I said, this is my first time unboxing a Chanel. I do not have a Chanel handbag in my collection. I do have some accessories, but this is my first handbag from this brand. And of course, you guys know my first love is Louis Vuitton, and some of this packaging might look a little rough because I've already been in there to check it out. I couldn't wait, so I just wanted to make sure everything was okay, and then I wanted to come on here and also show you guys the items that I received. I will have the information across the screen if you are interested in either one of these bags or other bags. They have so many hundreds of bags on their sites from all the top brands, but you guys know that most of my bags are Louis Vuitton. I do have some Saint Laurent, some two Dior bags, I believe, a few Gucci bags, but Louis Vuitton is what most of my collection consists of, are Louis Vuitton bags and accessories. Okay, but enough chit chat because you guys know that I can go on and on. But let's go ahead and unbox the Chanel first. The box is not too big, so you guys know it's not a huge bag. I wanted to try out something smaller. And the packaging is so cute. I've seen these unboxing videos on TikTok and Instagram, YouTube, but I've just recently decided to just try out the brand. I wasn't a huge fan of the bags before, um, but I want to at least try one out to see how I like it. There's the box. And like I said, I just took a quick peek in here, just to make sure everything was okay, but I did not take all the paper off. All right. So the packaging is pretty much, I'm assuming, how you would get in the Chanel boutique. Comes with some paperwork. And then in the dust bag, so I'll set this to the side. Oh, and there's Coco Chanel. Let's see. You guys can already see on the side the color that I chose. The paper. I guess I should have had my notes handy, but I think this is the classic flat, and it's in the size small. I opted to try a small first. I took this off earlier, so it wouldn't come with that piece of blue tape on there. I just took it off just to look at the hardware, make sure it was correct. Okay, guys, I had to take all the paper off screen, and there she is. Such a beautiful bag. Like I said, I wasn't really a fan of this style until I got my Coach bag, and then I was like, I really like this style, so maybe I should try out Chanel. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. That's the inside. It won't fit a whole lot, of course, but I would use this for maybe date night, events that that I'm dressy, church, weddings. I don't really go to too many parties, but but yeah, just nice events. But I mean, some people use it casually also. There's a pocket on the back. Pretty sure my phone won't fit in there, but maybe a card holder. I didn't bring my card holder, but I do have a Chanel card holder to go with this bag. So you can wear it, of course, double it up, or if you want to wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. So I have not tried it on yet, but I most likely will wear it like this over the shoulder. This is how I wear my Coach bag. Okay. No feet or anything at the bottom. She's a little cute bag. I like her. Really like the chains. And you guys know I love pink. I have quite a few pink bags. All right, so let's put Miss Shenaney to the side. Let's get into this Louis unboxing. Now, give you guys a hint. I was back and forth about getting this. This bag is very expensive. The authentic version on the LV website is very expensive, and I was told that only certain people can get these bags. You know, you guys may have figured out which one it is, but hey, I decided the color is just so beautiful, and I just wanted to see it in person and touch it and, you know, display it on my shelf. Not sure if I'll wear it out. But yeah, look at the dust bag. Look at that beautiful blue color. So let's take that out. And we have another dust bag. Put this box. It comes with the tissue paper, paperwork in the back, as all of their bags come with those. Move this to the side. Now, once I open this, you guys are going to know exactly what the bag is. Look at that blue. This is the little pouch that comes with the bag. I just love this color. So amazing. And whatever, you know, color you get, the little dust bag and the one for the bag will come embroidered with the color on it. Okay, let's open her up. We have my favorite type of bag, which is the Speedy 25. I love all Speedies, the Speedy 20. I don't have a Speedy Nano, but I do have, I don't know if you guys can see, on that shelf, I have 3 Speedy 20s and I have one more that's downstairs. But on this shelf over here, I have some of my Speedy 25s and then one Speedy 30. So she has a place up high. I'm gonna put her on the shelf with the other Speedies. But look how beautiful this blue is. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna capture true color of the bag. And I did get it hot stamped with K and a heart. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this color and this material. This is leather. This is real leather. And it feels so soft. And she comes with the strap, so you can wear it crossbody or over the shoulder. And she comes with her own little pillow. How cute is that? Look at that. So she can keep her shape. But besides the color, my most favorite thing about this bag is how soft and pliable it is. It's not like the other Speedies that's canvas. This is leather outside and also inside. It's the brown leather inside of the bag. Not sure if you'll be able to see it. And it does have black. Bring it closer. Not sure if it's gonna focus. Sorry, the lighting is not that great. It's cloudy outside today, so it might be kind of hard to see it. But it does have the zipper pocket, just one in the back. It's like the other Speedies. All right, let's zoom in so focus. I can see it a little better. Like I said, she's so soft. And I apologize, my nails are kind of ratchet. I have to put on some new press-ons. So, but yeah, the plaque is there. I do have some plastic on it I need to get off. But yeah, I love it. And then the little pouch, it's larger than the what is it, the clay or the key pouch, but smaller, you know, than a pochette, a mini pochette. But I can fit, you know, some of my lip gloss, perfume, travel perfume, lotion, things like that can fit in there. But yeah, look at this beauty. I love the two tags. The I think they call it a key bell or pochette, and then it has the luggage tag on it. And then the lock is on this side. Then you can lock it. You will pull the zipper, you know, close and then put it on there and then lock it. But I've never locked any of my bags. But yeah, she is a cutie. 25 and my classic flap in size small. And I will be back to do an unboxing. I mean, not unboxing. I just did the unboxing. I will be back to show you guys how I'm going to pack them. I'll probably do the Speedy first. So I will be back. I know I haven't really been consistent with my videos and getting them out. But I plan to come back more often and show you guys some of the bags because I am still getting bags. I haven't really been to the boutique lately, but I've been looking online and Save Bullets is the place to go. So yeah, I will be back to show you guys how I pack with my accessories for the Speedy. Okay, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.